Welcome back guys. Today I will be sharing a perfect winter drink for kids to enjoy especially during cold weather. And the name itself is enough to bring out the happy little kid in you. Yes, I am talking about homemade hot chocolate. For making this drink, we will need milk 1 cup, chocolate chips for topping, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, marshmallows, sugar according to your preference, grated chocolate, and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. To start with, place 1 cup of milk in a saucepan over medium to low heat. I am using whole milk here because it lends the creaminess to the drink. Now we add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and sugar. Now whisk it continuously to mix cocoa powder properly and to get the desired frothy cup of hot chocolate. Add vanilla essence and whisk again. Here you go. Your hot chocolate is ready to be poured into a mug. Now top it with marshmallows, freshly whipped cream, and chocolate chips. And you can also use grated chocolate. Your homemade hot chocolate is ready to be served. Enjoy your treat, relaxing inside a cozy blanket with your hands wrapped around your warm mug of hot chocolate. Enjoy.